Hi, I'm Brady, and this is the Jobs page in Fulcrum. This is where you can control production and monitor costs. Along the top, we'll see KPIs related to labor, materials, total cost, margin, and revenue. Revenue on this project is 0 just because we're making this electrical box to stock and not tying it directly to any order. Coming back to the total cost, we'll see in the bottom right our estimated overall cost based on our materials and our labor. In the center, we'll see the live updating total based on our actual usage of material and actual time of labor. In the top right, we'll just see the difference between that estimate and the actual. Monitoring these costs can make sure that you're running a profitable business. Scrolling along the left, we'll just see some overall information about the job before we get down into the bill of material and routing. On the far right, we can open this up, see all the different routing steps that we need to complete to make all the different items, whether they're subcomponents or the finished good, as well as any materials that may need to be consumed in that process. On the far right, we can also see the cost related to each of these. Going down the left side again, we can see on the bottom left, we have all of our operations that need to be completed again, and we can see that this one is in progress right now. We can see what machine these are all going to be done on, and we can also see how far along this one is. On the far right, we can also see that someone's left us a note on this laser cut step. Going back up to the top, I can go into the notes, again see all the different steps, and I can see that someone's left that note on that laser cut step. Clicking into it, I can see that one of our operators, Josiah, has told me that he thinks he'll have this done by our 9 a.m. meeting. I can reply to him, and we can chat live in real time. Going back down to the bottom right, we'll see the materials tied to this job, whether they're a subcomponent, whether we have them in inventory, how many are required, how many we might need to buy, and how many might have already been picked. If there's material that we would need to complete this job, but it's not already here, we also have the option to add that material with this plus sign. The other option here is that we can create a PO with one click directly from here. The last part of job costing, coming back up to the top right, is in the cost field. We can see a cost breakdown of everything involved in this job, go into our operations, see our estimates and actuals, and also see the materials consumed on this job. Thanks for watching. To see where all this live information comes from, watch this video on job tracking.